What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video of Everything Candlesticks. So today we're going to be looking at Votality 10 1S index, VIX 10 1S. Um, yeah, so I'm hoping that we're going to find something, even though the market has not been very drastic, has not been moving in an aggressive manner. But I think we can find something to scalp on. I think we can find something to trade for today. We can catch some few pips. So stay with me, guys, as we unpack today's asset. All right. So before we get into today's video, please comment below, subscribe and like this video so it can get to as many people as possible. All right. Okay, let's get into it. This is how your Votality 10 looks like on a daily time frame. So we can see this level here. You can see another one here. And we can see another one here. Okay. And we can also note that there was a supply here that the market could not respect. Okay. And it broke above this zone. And then it retested this level. And it's continuing going upwards. Okay, maybe we can just assume, we can put this at the back of our minds that the market might be heading towards this level or even this level here in a long-term run. Okay, but let us not be ahead of ourselves. This is just an idea that I have on what's about to happen. Okay, let me remove this. But also, because there are multi highs here, okay, you can see also the market broke above this this zone and is now, the price is trading above this zone, but there is also another level here which is a stumbling block, which makes it hard for the market to really shoot up as it wants to. Okay, so you see that when the market came to this point, it was pushed heavily by the sellers, and then today the bulls are still trying to fight this bearish momentum that is coming from this price level here. Okay, so at least we have that data from one daily time frame, so we can now move on to a 4-hour time frame and see if there is anything that we can get from that time frame. Okay, let me zoom out a bit. Okay, so the market is trending like this, is respecting this trend line here. And also, let me see if, no, let us remove this one. Okay, we can see that the market is respecting this trend line here. And we can see that there is some sort of like a triple top happening here. You can see that this market is giving us something that sort of like looks like a triangular pattern. So basically is that the price keeps on rising, but then it's failing to break above this level here. 1, 2, 3, 4. But then the more the market touches this level, that's the rule of this pattern. This is how you should look at it. If you see a pattern like this, you should understand that the more the market touches this level, the weaker it becomes as the price is keeping on going up. Okay, so the bearish momentum is struggling to break the previous lows. Okay, so that's why this point here is higher than this, and this point here is higher than this. Okay, so that means that the market is trying, but there is not enough momentum to push the market downwards and break all the previous uh lows. Okay, so in this case, we can expect that the market uh will will break and then trade this point here. Okay, so at least now we have an idea of what might happen. Let us go look for the opportunities, and let's go and get an idea of and how we should wait, what is it that we should wait for, and we can only get the data on a smaller time frame. Okay, this is what I'm talking about, guys. This is a turning point here, another turning point, another turning point, and this might be a turning point, or it might be a breakout. Okay, so here we are anticipating a breakout because this level has been tested way too many times, and the lows have not been broken. So there are higher chances that we witness a breakout on this level here. Okay, so if you're willing to take a long-term trade, you have to wait for the market to break above this level here, and then retest, and then buy here. But let us see if maybe can we not scalp this market right now. Okay, let us remove everything else, because right now, remember guys, these are indices, and indices, they move very fast. Okay, let's go to M15, M30. Okay, as you can see on M30, this is a very beautiful and a fresh supply zone. Okay, let us highlight it. This is a fresh and a very beautiful supply zone. So if you're looking for scalping today, you can scale down into M15. Okay, maybe let us do like this. Yes, if you scale down to M15, you can see that there was this candlestick here, which has the properties of a hanging man, even though it's not a proper hanging man. And then we have this bearish candlestick here, which is a bearish engulfing, which showcases to us, or which guarantees us that there are bears that have been waiting here on this market, and then now they pushed the market aggressively to the downside direction. Okay, so we will wait for the market to further confirm if whether it is really the market is going to respect this supply zone. Because see guys, 1 2 3 4 5 6, look at this movement. This is a very aggressive bearish movement that was done by the market here. But ideally, what I would do, I would wait for the H1 candlestick to close, and if it closes as a candlestick that shows that the market is taking a downside direction, then we're gonna sell. And just to be safe, we're gonna sell until this point here. Okay, so yeah guys, this is how you trade your supply and demand when you scalp. Okay, do not look for bigger time frames. You can look for bigger time frames if you wanna, trade, if you wanna hold your trades for longer. But for such as a short-term trades as this, your H1 should be your biggest time frame that you're gonna look at if you really wanna scalp. And then yeah, okay guys. I think that's it for today. See you. I'm gonna post screenshots on my Instagram. Please do follow us on Instagram and on Twitter. Everything Candlesticks. All right, sure. Thank you guys. Bye. See you on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thank you. Yeah, guys, this is a few hours later after I had analyzed your VIX-10. So this is how it played out, guys. So we were able to take trades here and exit the market at this point. So yeah, guys, this is what happened. Let us see on a smaller time frame. Yeah, this is how it looks like. It came back here to make a double top, and then it went down all this place here. All right, so yeah, that was it for day trading today. Yeah. Let's see tomorrow if we're gonna find another trade. And remember, guys, you don't have to trade everything. You don't have to trade many assets at once. If maybe you can analyze five, and then let's say you do analyze five assets a day, and then you are able to identify out of these five, you're able to identify three opportunities from three different assets. From these three that you have a chance of trading, you have to pick one or two that you are pretty certain about making profits, and then take, because the aim here is to take good trades only. You don't want to take trades that you are not 100% or you're not very sure about. If there are many chances of you hitting a stop loss, if you're not very certain about your analysis, it's better not to trade than to just trade because you feel like you feel like you're being unproductive if you don't have any trades running for that day. You know, this mindset of wanting to trade every day, even though you don't see any proper opportunities, is what's killing most traders. Not because they don't know how to trade, but because they haven't developed their trading psychology to a point where they are comfortable with not trading for a day or for 2 days or whenever they're not seeing opportunities. Okay. So when you're not seeing any opportunities, it doesn't mean you are less of a trader. It doesn't mean you don't know the skill. It just means that for your strategy that you're using, there is nothing that you can trade for that day or for that period of time. Okay, so you must get comfortable with that there are days when you're gonna be able to identify five trading opportunities. There are days when you're gonna be able to identify two trading opportunities, and there are days where you're gonna have hard time identifying or finding trading opportunities, and that's okay. That's okay. It saves you a lot of drama. It saves you a lot of headache and stress of losing money. Okay, so yeah, guys, this is how I went about trading Votality 10 index today. Please do subscribe, like, and comment. Yeah, thank you very much for tuning in. See you on the following video.